Today I'm going to teach you how to multiply monomials times polynomials. I'm going to start with just a monomial times a monomial. And so I want you to remember, you multiply the numbers, you add the exponents. So in this case, I'm going to multiply the big 4 times the big 7 and get a 28. And then for the x's, x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 7, I'm just going to add 3 plus 7 is a 10. And then the y's, I'm going to add their exponents also. 4 plus 2 is a 6. And there you go. I'm done. Do you remember the distributive property? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply the 5n times each term inside the parentheses. Now, you can actually show it if you want to. And so I can say 5n times 3n cubed. 5 times 3 is 15. And then I'm going to add the exponents. Don't forget, there's a 1 right there. So that would be 15n to the 4th. Then I'm going to do 5n times negative n squared. Well, 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, and then I have 3 n's there. And then finally, I do 5n times 8, which would give me 40n. And then I would put those together. I'm going to go diagonal here. 15n to the 4 minus 5n cubed plus 40n. Now, here's the deal. This right here, I do in my head, and I'm not going to show this again. But if you're struggling to do it in your head, then write it out like I did right there. Here we go. I'm going to do the first term, 7x squared times negative 6x squared. I'm going to multiply the big numbers. So 7 times negative 6 is negative 42. And then x squared times x squared. Remember, I'm just adding the exponents, so x to the 4th. Then I'm going to go to the next one. 7 times negative 8x, so 7 times negative 8 is just negative 56. And then I have 2 x's times another x, so there's 3 altogether. And then finally, this is the easy one. 7x squared times negative 1 is just a negative 7x squared, and I am done. Try this one on your own. Stop the video, and then when you're done, come back and see if we have the same answer. All right, I'm going to start with this. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. 4 x's, another 2 x's is 6 altogether. Negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9. I have 4 x's plus another x, so there's 5 x's. And then finally, this direction, negative 3 times positive 5 is negative 15. And then I'm just going to bring along the x to the 4, just like that. All done. Is that what you got? All right, now go practice and have some fun.